How to delete Xbox account permanently. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can delete the Xbox account permanently. So without any delay, let's start with the video. But before beginning, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to delete your Xbox account permanently, first of all, log in into xbox.com and log in into your account by going to your at the side of the account at the upper right corner. You can see that option there. Just log in into your account. I have already logged in my account. After logging in, you'll be able to see this kind of interface on your screen. So what you're going to do is simply head over to your profile at the top right again, so to the same section, and this time go to my Microsoft account. And you'll be redirected to another page where you'll be able to see your account. So what you're going to do is simply head over to your info section. Since our Microsoft account is linked with Xbox, so we need to delete our Microsoft account in order to delete our Xbox account. So you're just going to scroll down and you can see my Xbox account is associated or linked with the Microsoft account. So we're just going to tap on close account and you'll be redirected to another page where you can see this follow the steps to close your account. You can see this blue box with close account. Simply tap on it, and what you need to do is simply go on with the process of deleting your account by entering the verification code that you'll be receiving on your email account that you use in order to create your Xbox profile. So therefore, just go on with the process and you should be able to delete your Xbox account permanently. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.